Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair. Guys, our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. We're working on the CLK Mercedes today. As you can see, guys, we've been doing quite a bit. We have over 100 videos on that model, so if you have one from 97 to 2003, I think it will be very helpful. Please subscribe, guys. Let's grow that channel together. We'll show you guys how to remove and replace those speaker covers. Okay, the one here and there on a door panel. You can see this one is busted and we just want to replace it with another one. We'll show you how to do that now. You need to remove the door panel first, so stay with us. Or, well, actually, just check the video out so some of you know how to remove the door panel. If you don't, just check it out. It's on the channel. We have it on our channel. It's in the playlist as well with all other videos. And now, once you remove it, guys, you need to go ahead. You can see all those retainers hold that speaker cover in place. So if you bend one of the two, okay, always wear eye protection for those eyeglasses because it can fly in your eyes. If you bend one of the two with a screwdriver, okay, you can pull those things out. Okay, like that. And later we'll show you when you're ready to install it. Oh, it's right here. You will need to straighten everything and push them back in. Oh, this one is exactly the same way for all of them. And you can see the big speaker cover. It's exactly the same way too. So we removed 2 so far and we have 3 more to go. Just be careful, don't apply too much pressure because those are plastic and it might break easy. Okay, 4 and just 1 more to go after that. Okay, right there. So now all you have to do, guys, just push it out. You see, and this is the speaker cover and you can see how easy it is to remove. So when you are ready, all you have to do, just push it in there. Okay, we'll just demonstrate with this one until, okay, we order another one. Okay, we just want to demonstrate you how to do it, guys. Now you need to hold it in place tight and you need to install those retainers. Push them in. Okay, you need to work your way around it a little bit on each side. Okay, this one is in, and now we need to do the same thing with the rest of them. Okay, right there, all 5 of them. The big one has actually 6. So once you install them, guys, that will be the whole procedure. So thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe. Let's grow the channel together. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.